Let's see. There is fresh water near us as well. Out.
Yeah, I need to eat. I only have ramen noodles.
I've got
right here.
cooked meat.
Oh, can I
Open your
some?
mouth and look in the sky.
Yeah.
Take my pusher top off. I can't do things when talking.
Exactly.
Wait, why did you turn push to talk on?
So I can talk over the radio over.
Oh my fucking god.
I'll just mute my mic when I do it.
Music, you should go first through here.
No, you go first. I can't see anything.
I've already been. Neither can I. I'm gonna have Out go first. I've already been in here.
I'm not going first. You go first.
If it was something deadly, I would go first.
You go first. I can't see anything.
We're right behind you, all the way.
So I remember when me and Music were playing Raft, and instead of figuring out how to get the light on our head, we just went into a boat, and it was pitch fucking black, and there were giant rats running around, and we were like two fucking grown-ass women on tables screaming like a bunch of children.
We didn't know the lights existed until after. Because then we looked at it and we were like, oh, we didn't even have to experience all that. You're right, I should have gone first. Ooh.
Told you.
Wait.
Not everything I do to you is bad, Music.
This is so pretty.
There you go, Music.
Oh, look at it. Come here, bitch. Yeah, die. Did you get anything?
Looking for this
harvesting.
Yeah, I guess you can't continue. Man, that's a broken ass fucking hitbox. Jesus.
We can't harvest them anymore? Like, what's going on?
I don't know, it's kind of broken.
You can't pick them up? Or anything? I'm not. What? Oh.
Oh.
Music, bless your little heart.
If we place them over the fire, they should give us bones. We should be able to pick this up. I guess.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. We're not getting the harvest option from it.
What? How did going to chop down a tree turn into exploring a cave?
Well, we were going to the cave, but I was like, I should probably take this moment to teach Music how to do something. But then I realized that you're not stupid, so I was like, okay, let's just do the cave.
Oh, okay.
And just to make sure, Music, please don't jump in that water.
I collected an arm and a leg. Jump in the water, Kay.
Alright.
Are you in the water, Music? Yep.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I killed the shark when I was there.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, you know what? Now that we got the rebreather, I can go out down there and set the helicopter out.
Oh, right. Yeah, let's go to the helicopter. Ow! Oh, you almost killed me!
I didn't even see you! I just saw blood, and you just appeared.
I thought I wasn't close enough until I turned around.
This bitch is deep. Is there, like, nothing to pick up around it?
Guess not.
Damn, that sucks.
I hate how murky it is.
It is pretty murky, yeah. Well,
oh my god, the old man scared the shit out of me.
Alright, I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah,
We're making food.
Oh, you're making food? Okay. Oh, that's not food,
then.
sir.
Well, there's something wrong with me.
Why?
I'm thirsty.
That's normal.
Do you see me eating an arm?
I see it in your hand, but it's not right.
Once you get here, you can meet Kevin.
Kevin Bacon?
his icon on the map is a K, so I called him Kevin.
Look, it's Kevin Bacon. He has a pretty strange walk. You okay, buddy?
He look bigger than us. Wait, he got blood coming out of his ears. Can I kill him?
Please don't kill him. He's Sliding's buddy.
Follow me. Oh wait, I think he's following me now.
Now he's your responsibility.
Oh. Wait, is he deaf?
Yeah, probably. That's why his ears are bleeding.
So, if the cannibals, if they're doing like inhuman things, but they're not considered human, right? So does that really truly make us cannibals if we eat squirrel?
If we eat a squirrel, no.
Drink water music.
I'm getting mushrooms. Squirrel! Wait, where'd the squirrel go?
Escape.
Guys, I killed a squirrel.
Good job, music.
I need water. I was busy chasing a squirrel.
I told you to get water.
Is there like a stick storage that we could build? Is that a thing?
Yes, there is. You need 6, 6 words.
Stick structure.
I think I'm about to fucking die! You bitch! That almost hit me, Alk!
I don't know how to control fucking logs.
My god, I almost died.
Cannibal incoming.
You guys create a fire for me, please?
Which does not believe this one does.
You guys gonna create a...
Oh, you're gonna burn them?
Somebody make a fire?
Okay, I'll make you a fire.
Still working my way over there.
The main island.
There you go, music.
Wait, why can't I throw him on it? How did I let go of him?
G?
You guys, I have a dead body stuck on me.
Oh no. Ghost
I got a
of
dead
the
body stuck on me over.
Oh, hey, look, a turtle.
I don't know what to do.
You might have to relog. Get it? Log?
Do you see this?
No, not on my screen.
You don't see him on me?
Uh-uh.
He's on my arm like he's a parasite.
I see a dead body here in the ocean, or in the pond here.
Oh, that's what I fucking picked up. Did you just take something off me?
No, was opening my bag.
I can't see anything.
Music, you're gonna have to relog!
I can't save.
Josh, can you put a tent down for her?
Yeah, give me 1 second. These things are almost done cooking. I don't want them to burn all that crap.
Oh, yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What just happened to me?
You just flew up in the air.
What the fuck? Did you see that, no shit?
Yeah.
What the...
You just got launched into the air.
Come get me, please. What the fuck happened? God damn, I know I'm working too hard now.
Space program?
Yeah, it fucking threw me in the air.
Was that a bomb?
Uh-huh.
Josh?
What?
Was that you?
Maybe. Or it's a pretty good chance of me that it was me.
What the fuck are you doing over there, Josh?
Threw a grenade towards you to mess with you.
Wow. First I get thrown up into the air by an act of God. You throw a grenade at me.
Just making sure you're not being part of the space program. I figured if I took out your legs, you wouldn't be able to jump very high.
It's not how gravity works, you silly goober. Gravity and God would still take me if I had no legs. In fact, I'm pretty sure I would have died and gone to heaven. Which is up! It's sad we can't use these giant logs to damage the enemies. I'm sure the QA team is like, already fucking figuring that out.
I just hit one in the head with it. It fell in the water and drowned. You're just moving the entire large pile over inch by inch. I'm about to have a horde of logs thrown at the island.
Be prepared. We attack tonight.
What happened to your NPC? Where's he at?
No idea. He has a K on the map. He's near you guys somewhere. He's probably knocked down.
Oh, I found him. Oh, I guess I just fucking died to an active bot again.
I went away for 30 seconds.
I alt tapped out for 30 seconds and it killed me. Josh. Oh! You go
I was trying to help, but I guess you can't do it.
It was like, nah, you can't do that.